Welcome to a Tori Tech Tips tutorial on how to delete Duolingo account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, let me show you how you can delete your Duolingo account. First, let's open the Duolingo app and tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access settings. From there, select Profile and then scroll down to the bottom to find the Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account. You will see a confirmation page. Once completed, account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. To finalize, tap the Delete Account button again to confirm. You will receive an email with a deletion link. Open that email and click the link to start the deletion process. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.